Hi everyone, my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back and I'm so happy for today's video because I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be using different colors, not just red and black and white. I'm going to be using very neutral tones, and these DIYs are perfect for Christmas if you have like a neutral Christmas theme, or they are perfect for the winter season. And I really love how all these DIYs turn out. I'm going to be using Dollar Tree items to make all of them, and I really hope that you like and enjoy this video and these ideas. And please, if you do, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages. The links are going to be in the description box of this video, and also follow me on my webpage and my new YouTube channel. We posted a new video yesterday on Jazomy Home. Make sure that you are subscribed, and that way you're not gonna miss that amazing video. The link is going to be in the description. So yeah, I hope that you like this one, and let's get started. For this project, I will be using this Dollar Tree tag sign, and you can get it with different designs depending on the seasons. And I'm going to be working with the back of the sign, and I will paint it with my Waverly chalk paint in moss color. You can paint your sign completely, but I want the edges to be seen with a distressed look, and instead of sanding them, I will try not to paint them and blend the color with my brush. Once the paint is dry, this will be the result of the color in my sign, and I really like it. And now I will be using the Dollar Tree nautical rope, and I will be gluing it around the edges of the sign with hot glue, and this will give it more texture to the project, and the sign actually is going to look a little bit bigger. I'm also going to cut a piece of rope, and you can tie 2 knots on each side and stick it on the top of the sign to be able to hang it later. Now I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree ornaments that come in a set of 2. These are trees, and I'm also going to be using these reindeer ornaments, also from Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue a tree on each side, and then I'm going to stick the reindeer in the center of the sign with hot glue, and I will put all of them with an angle, so that way you're going to have like enough space between them to be able to stick them on the sign. You can use hot glue, or maybe you can add E6002 to make sure that these ornaments are going to stick well to the sign. From there, in the top part of this sign, I'm going to stick these 2 Dollar Tree metal words that says joy and peace. And first I glue the word joy and then the word peace with an angle, as well as the ornaments. Finally, in the center, I'm going to stick a sticker with the symbol and in white color. Once finished, this will be the result of this project, and I really love it. It was very easy to do, and it looks 3D with a high-end look, and also you can paint the sign in another color if you want, depending on the Christmas theme that you have this year in your home.
For the next project, I will be using these Dollar Tree willow wreath, and this is the small size. And first, I'm going to be working with these snowflake ornaments that comes in a set of 2 from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue them on one side close to the other with hot glue. The next step will be to use these floral foams from Dollar Tree, and I want my wreath to have snowballs, so I'm going to be using these ball foams, and you can cut it a little bit smaller to make it easier to stick in your wreath, and also cut them with a knife to make them a little smaller to have snowballs in different sizes. Then I bought these mini snowflakes ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to glue them on the wreath with hot glue in different directions and angles. And you can also cut some snowflakes in half to kind of have more in your wreath, and just stick them here and there where you think they can look good. If you notice, I'm focusing on putting all the decor pieces to one side and not the entire wreath, and I really love how it looks this way, but it's optional. You can decorate your entire wreath if you prefer. Okay, now I decide to stick these mini flock Dollar Tree pine cones in my wreath to fill all the empty spaces and add a little color to my wreath. Once finished, I decide to place some of these Walmart flock branches, and they have them for less than $1, and I'm going to cut a few pieces and wrap them on the back side of my wreath. Once finished, I put my wreath on this wood piece, and I really like the result. I think it looks beautiful with a high-end look, and I think it's perfect for like a winter wonderland Christmas theme, and also to use it for the entire winter season. For the next project, I'm going to use this Dollar Tree long sign, and I'm also going to work on the back side of this sign. So I'm going to remove the twine with the staples. From there, I will be painting all my sign with my Waverly chalk paint in white color, and then let it dry. Once everything is dry, I'm going to use these thin black tape that I bought in Amazon, and I'm going to stick it on my sign, forming like a shiplap look. And first I measure and mark 2 inches, and then I stick the tape. With this tape, I have done many projects, and I also use it to make like a faux shiplap on my walls, and it works very well. So in the description you can find the link. I highly recommend this product. From there, I'm going to be using these long bamboo skewers from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to measure the length and width of my sign, and I'm going to cut them and stick them on the edges of my sign. To cut them, I'm going to use a dog nail cutter, which works very well to cut any dowel, and I'm going to glue 2 of these sticks together at the edges to make it look a little wider. From there, I'm going to use this cord sheet, and I'm going to measure and cut 4 inches wide by 12 inches long. Guys, you can use any sticker or any stencil. I'm going to use my Cricut, and I made a decal that says Merry Christmas, and I'm going to stick it in the center of my cork. This cork sheet has an adhesive on the back side, so it is very easy to stick on the sign. For an extra touch, I'm going to glue 4 heads of these drawing pins to each side of the cork sheet. Finally, I glue 2 popsicle sticks on the back side of my sign, and this will help me to hang the sign on my wall later. Okay guys, this will be the result of this project, and I really love it. I was inspired by a Walmart wall Christmas sign that I saw, and that cost like $15, and I made this one for less than $4 or $5, a fraction of the price, and it looks amazing and modern, and I'm very happy with the result, and I really hope that you like it and that you like all the DIYs that I made in today's video. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family, and let me know in the comments which of these projects was your favorite. Guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages and my webpage and my YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. The links are going to be in the description box, and see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye guys!